Making viral videos is not luck. It's about using the right tool the right way. If your TikTok or Instagram videos are not getting the views you want, it's simple. The video is not attention grabbing. Yes. So today, I'll show you how I went from barely getting 500 views to using CapCut to get millions of views for my clients. I'll show you the tricks, the hacks, and the interesting features CapCut has that gets people watching. So stay till the end because I even have a special bonus just for you. And without further ado, it's time to learn. So guys, for the first stage, I'll show you how to use the CapCut beats effects, animations, transitions, and speed. These are some interesting features in CapCut that you can use to create viral content. Yes, I'm going to show you. Everyone knows when it comes to making viral content for TikTok or Instagram Reels, you need good music because people love music and dance stuff a lot. So I have a very, very interesting song right here. I go from CapCut, Powerful Aggressive Trap. You can find it and also use it. So the first feature I mentioned was beats. And the option for beats is here. You can see add marker. You click on it, beats 1 or beats 2. It just basically tells you where the beats or the change in tempo are in the sound you're working with. This is very important because this is what will actually help us with our transitions. We'll use the beat for transitions and also for animations and also even to help us with speed. So I have these videos here of people dancing and I have the beats. You can see I just did this and I clicked here. None. You can click beat 1, beat 2. This just determines the frequency of the beats. That's all. That's what it does. So this is the music I currently have. Very nice. So first things first, I'm going to bring the videos on the timeline. Then I'm going to cut each video to where the beat marker is. Like I said, we're going to use the beat for transitions and also for animations. So the beat is the first step. You need to track your beats. And afterwards, you focus on transitions. And afterwards, animations. So now I'm going to use the beats to make the quick cuts. So let me do that quickly. So guys, yes, I've used the beat to make the first level of cuts. But for this one, I focus solely on the heavy hits in the beat. So you can see, because there are two aspects to the beat, beat 1 and beat 2. Beat 1 picks very few beats, while beat 2 picks a lot. So I was focusing on the heavy parts of the beat. That's why I made that first cut. So now I'm going to make my second cut to beat 2. And I'll show you the reason why afterwards. So now I just finished making my second cut to beat 2. So now we have multiple clips, as you can see. And the thing with all these clips we have is we can either replace them with new videos or we can just edit the second cut we have. So right now what I'm going to do now is rather than putting different clips every time for every beat point, I'm just going to make little or subtle changes. And what do I mean by those subtle changes? I'm going to use things like zoom in, zoom out, or cut in or cut out, and also the mirror effect. So for instance now, we have our transition points. Let me play what we currently have for you. So it's currently bland. Yes, we're having the music cut, but nothing special. So now it's time to take it to the next level. Like I said, we have animations and transitions. I'm going to apply an animation right now. I'm going to click on this animation right here. And I'm going to apply zoom in. So you can see the lady zoomed in. After that one, I'm now going to apply transitions. I'm going to come up here, transitions. And I have my transitions I want. I want the glitch transition because this is like a dance video. So I'm going to apply where we have beat 1. Wherever we have beat 1, I'll apply transitions there because that's why we have like the highest hits. I'm going to apply this transition right here. I like this one. I'm going to apply it right here. So now I'll play the video for you and you see the difference now. Not so much, but we're getting there. You can see the difference. Things are getting better. So we've applied beats, we've applied animations and transitions. Now it's time to make those subtle changes like I mentioned. We need to do cut in, cut out, just to make sure at every beat point we're having a subtle change in movement, just to grab people's attention. That's the most important thing. You want to grab people's attention. So now we have the guy. For this part, I can also try different effects. I have one I like a lot. Pulling. Yeah. I can apply pulling here. So now, let's go back to beat 2. At this point, once the next beat comes in, I want to change. And what I'm now going to do is I'm going to zoom in. So by the time the beat comes in, there's a zoom in, zoom out effect. Like there are constant changes. That's what we want. So I'm going to make those constant change now to these videos. For this one also, 130, zoom in. For this part, I'm not going to zoom in. I'm going to use the mirror effect right here to flip him. So by the time I play, you can see this. You can see it flip right, flip left. The same thing to the lady. I'm going to zoom in here, 130. But here, I'm also going to use the mirror effect. Yes. And finally, guys, I mentioned speed. For this guy, his video is very long, so I'm going to use a speed effect. If you come up here, you can see speed. And under speed, go to curves. And I'm going to apply montage or whichever one. Let me apply a very fast one. Bullet, yes. You can see. And finally, we're going to cut this. And what our final animation, which is fade out. Also, fade out for our music also. So our video is almost ready, but it's not done yet. One thing also when it comes to creating viral videos, you want to grab people's attention with words. So now we've applied beats, we've applied animations, transitions, and also the speed effect. But one more thing, we need to apply text. And guys, your mind will be blown. So right now I'm going to apply text to this video. The same thing, we're also going to follow the beats marker for applying the text. So at every point, let me add, what should I put? It's time. Good. Let me put my font. So at any beat point, I'm going to make different text because I don't want the text to just be one. Okay. So we started with it's time. I'm going to add an animation to that one. Like I said, guys, animation, super important. Awesome. Very nice. It's time. Yes. It's time for what? To feel. To leave. To dance. Then finally, to do you. So guys, you can see our video is making more sense now. Guys, this is literally a video that can get millions of views on TikTok or Instagram. Easily, we just created that in less than 7 minutes. And also, a bonus tip, one thing you also want to do is improve the color of your video. Yes, you want to give your video interesting color settings. If you want to learn more about color correction, let me make this one fade out. Animations, fade out. So you also want the color quality of the video to be very, very nice. I made a video on color corrections. You can check that out. But let me just get it done quickly. So guys, the color correction has been done. So as you can see, I'm going to play the result for you right now so you can enjoy. Guys, that's like a promo right there. So guys, for stage 2, I'm going to take things a bit advanced. We're going to use what we call body effects. These are super, super important. They give this energetic, crazy superhero feel to your videos. It grabs people's attention, definitely. So we have video effects, as you can see up here, and we also have body effects. You can play around with this. I'm just going to preview so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Right here, I have a video of a guy on the timeline. I'm going to apply this effect on him to actually see how fascinating they are. I'm going to apply also some on this previous video we made right here, so you can actually see. This, guys, is a must try if you want your videos to go viral. They just take your videos to the next level. You can see, dancing, nothing. But now, we're going to take things to the next level. I'm going to come, I saved the beat already, my favorites, in body effects. The first I'm going to apply is big head, and you see what I'm talking about. You can see how cool that looks. That's one you should definitely try. The second one is electric highs. You can just come here and just type these things. Type them. The next one is electric highs. You can see how amazing that looks. And there's so many like that. So many. So let me apply a few on our previous video so we can actually see how good these things actually are. You can see. So guys, you definitely want to give these things a try. One of my favorite ones is actually this one right here. You can see. So guys, definitely give body effect a try. Like I said, we also have video effects. The same thing, but similar. But body effects has the more advanced effects and everything. So quickly right now, I'm going to apply a few body effects and actually show you the preview afterwards. Okay, so guys, I just applied multiple effects on the video, and I'm going to play the video for you right now for you to see. Like I said, you need to play around with this one to actually pick what works for you. But video effects or body effects are actually something you need to try. Awesome, awesome, guys. That is amazing. So now to the final stage. So guys, stage 1, amazing. Stage 2, great. Stage 3, even better. Guys, I'm about to blow your mind right now. So we have a video of this lady right here. I'm about to do something so amazing in CapCut right now. In this thing, I'm going to show you how to use makeup in your face. I'm going to show you how to use remove BG to create amazing content. Text-to-speech, yes, text-to-speech in CapCut, and also how to apply captions to your videos. So these are the 4 things I'm talking about in this stage. Makeup, text-to-speech, caption, and remove BG. So pay close attention. Let's get into it. We can see a video of a lady right here. This video actually has no audio, so I'm going to create audio for the video. Then I'm going to actually apply caption on that. If you don't know what captions are, if you don't know how text-to-speech works, no problem. Today's your lucky day because I'll show you everything. So first things first, you can see she has a bit of makeup on her face, which is fine. But like I said, we're going to take it to a whole new level. You come here to CapCut, retouch option, retouch. So you come to video, then you come to retouch. Then you click on face. On that face, we have body. We're working our face right now. And you come to makeup. Guys, there's so much you can do to our face anyways. And you click on makeup. And you select whatever makeup you want. You can put Mystique. And I'm going to show you the difference. You can see the face will actually change. So if you're somewhere by, you don't have time to get that makeup done quickly, don't worry, CapCut got you. Also, if you don't want something too obvious, there's a natural option here for you. So this is the perfect site to actually show you the makeup options. You can see what we have. So as a lady, you don't have time to get your makeup done. No problem. CapCut got you. So for her, I'm just going to apply the natural makeup, nothing too much. I don't want it to look AI. I'm going to apply just a natural one. So we're good in terms of makeup for our face. So the next thing I want to do is, so makeup has been applied to our face. We can leave here. Next thing we want to do now is add caption or add an audio to what she's saying because she's not saying anything. So I'm going to show you how to use text to speech. We're going to come to text. I'm going to bring the text on. Like I said, we need captions. I'm pretty sure you've seen those videos on Instagram, on TikTok. They all have captions on them. So I'm going to put. So this is the text we have. Now I'm going to create a voice of a lady saying subscribe to video views. I'm going to come into text to speech. And I'm going to select a female voice. We have trendy voices, we have male voices, we also have female voices. I'm going to select, let's say, Jessie.
Subscribe to vid and views.
It sounds a bit A-high, so I don't like it. I'm going to pick something else.
Subscribe to vid and views. Subscribe to vid and views.
Okay, I actually like the storyteller. I'm going to work with this storyteller. So right now I'm going to create generate speech. You can see our speech has been generated.
Subscribe to vid and views.
So that is good. I'm going to just cut it. We have our text. I can delete this. So now we have our text. This is what she's saying. Subscribe to vid and views. Now, captions. I'm just going to click on it and click on generate captions. So you can see there's a caption of subscribe to vid and views. Now I'm going to actually apply a template. I'm pretty sure you've seen these videos on Instagram or TikTok or whatever.
Subscribe to vid and views.
Awesome. I'm going to put it below our jaw right here. Awesome. So the next thing I want to do now is remove BG. I told you earlier, I'm going to show you how to use remove BG. I'm pretty sure you've seen those videos on Instagram whereby you have a lady talking and there's something behind her. I'm going to create that right now. Click here and you can see remove BG. You apply auto removal. I'm going to make it small, put that right here. I'm going to put the text a bit up.
Subscribe to vid and views.
Good news. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly check out this video right here that I made just for you. I'm waiting for you and I'll see you.